YouTube. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hey, it's 2019, baby. January 2019. I don't remember what day it is, so I'm not gonna say that. Oh, January 8th. It says it right here on the little camera joint. So, look here, man. I got 5 secrets to making some money on the way home. We're doing an on the way home secrets to making money. On the way home, baby. All right, so number one, baby. Listen to the people who make the money that you want to make. So if you're trying to make money in real estate, as this dude almost crashes right here, if you're trying to make money in real estate, I'm not saying that you can't follow somebody that's working at a grocery store or investing or doing something in Bitcoin. You can follow them to get some of their understanding, some of their knowledge, some of their learning skills. But if you want to make money in real estate, flipping homes, wholesaling, stuff like that, that's something that I'm trying to be in, is the wholesaling, flipping, not just homes, but flipping items. And then real estate, something I do already is real estate. I follow a lot of people that do real estate, home sales, and then flipping, because that's what I need to learn. That's how you're gonna make money. Like, but what are you doing? I'm not gonna learn how to be the CEO or how to invest in stocks. I don't know how to invest in stocks. What you mean? I don't know. So I don't follow that as strictly. I do follow a little bit, you know what I mean, but not as strictly, because that's not my thing. Number 2. So find topics or content from other people, man. It don't really matter where you get it from. If you're trying to figure out the content for yourself, just like I was for last year, man, my problem was I couldn't find enough content mentally to really make enough videos. So I have knowledge on the information, but when it comes to making a video, I couldn't even make a video because I had no clue what the heck I wanted to make a video about. So, and some of the stuff had nothing to do with real estate, so that doesn't really work well. But if you have to go on somebody else's YouTube to get some knowledge, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. If you have to read somebody else's book to get some knowledge, talk to somebody, have a meeting, a meet and greet, go to a career fair, something like that. Hey, man, you got to do what you got to do to get the knowledge that you need to share with other people. I like to share the knowledge, but I got to get it from somewhere, man. So, look, find topics, content from somewhere. Let me see, number 3. So make sure that whatever you're doing is scalable. So I do real estate, man. I try to get the information out there to you guys. I try to get my business out there to the people out here in Arizona and Phoenix and Tempe and Mesa and Gilbert, all of the places out here. I try to get all the information out there to whoever I can, because that's what I do. I'm a realtor, so I try to make it scalable. I try to make sure I'm building and building and building. So with YouTube, the biggest thing is, can you scale this? Facebook, Instagram, however you plan to scale your business, make a plan for that, man. Matter of fact, you can get on YouTube and figure out how to scale your business, period. I go on Gary V. I listen to Graham Stevens. I think that's his name. I know his last name is Graham. Meet Kevin. I go on Chasing J Miles. Man, I can't even list them all, but there's a lot of people I go on to figure out how to scale. Excuse me. And that's hence why I have the YouTube channel. Figure out how to make whatever you do scalable. If you sell tennis shoes, how do you get your dang information out there? Are you using your friends, family? Are you using social media? Like, what are you using? Seriously, make it scalable. Number 4, find a passion. So if you're doing something business-wise, and people always say this, do what you love, find a passion, all that, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I love to freaking cut hair, man. That's what I love to do, and I wish I can do that just permanently, and that's the only thing I do. I do love real estate, but not as much as cutting hair. But I can't do that because I have a bad back, I got bad knees, my ankles are bad. It's just not happening. So, yeah, I do have a passion to do it, and I still do it. I just don't do it at the scale that, would make me the money that I want to get. So another thing that I do is do the real estate. So that's another passion of mine. So I found my second passion. I found, teaching and getting my message out there, mentoring, doing whatever I can as another passion. So that could be something that you want to do. Maybe you want to teach. Maybe you want to be a realtor and end up teaching at the school. That'd be pretty awesome, actually, for me too. But you got to go through certain steps or be a realtor a certain amount of time. Start to study that stuff, research what you need to do, and just use that passion, use that drive to push you forward in whatever the heck you're doing, man. And then comment in the comment section, man. I want to know what your passion is. I want to know what your drive is. I think it's pretty awesome. And then you got to wave at people because they're driving by. And then have patience. The biggest thing, and I said it in some of my other videos, if you don't have patience, you're going to lose. My first year in real estate, I made $1,400. This second year, and then let me clarify that first year, because I started from July to December. I made $1,400 from July to July. Okay, so July again for my second year to another July. Yeah, I'm gonna make a little bit more than that. It's gonna be around like 50 or 60,000 easy. But for this year, I try to do from 2019, from January to December. I'll also put that in there. But just have patience, man. It's going to take you some time. You're going to have to find your niche. I do, direct mailing. I do stuff on Facebook. I do stuff on Instagram. I tweet, even though I don't get, any messages or any hits. But I still tweet. My homegirl, Courtney, bestie, she be looking out for me. Hit a like in there every now and then or share or something like that. But you got to have patience in whatever you're doing. It's not going to happen in 2 or 3 months sometimes. Maybe it does. But even with that 2 or 3 months, you still want to keep pushing further and further and further. Don't get so excited that you just sit there and your excitement fails after like 6 months. Now, what happens is you got to keep pushing. 3 months, boom, you reach a goal. Now you go for the next 3 months, reach another goal. Another 3 months, reach another goal. And then next thing you know, you're going to be looking at like 5 years and you're going to be scaling. You're going to have that passion. You're going to have that drive. Like you're going to be the person that people want to go to when they want content. So, hey man, this is 2019 January, so we're starting brand new. Those are the 5 secrets to making some money. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm still going to make more content. I need to get off my butt and start watching other people to get more topics. So let's see what happens, man. I love y'all, man. Like, subscribe, and continue to comment. Let me know how I'm doing in the bottom. Matter of fact, I just did this little video on my iPhone and I turned it to the side instead of up and down. See, learning, man. 2019 goals.